Hey traders, this is Jeff from ZenTrader.ca with a nightly update. Uh, we got follow through to yesterday's down call with my timing signal, so that's a good thing. I was able to get that alert out a couple hours before the market closed yesterday, giving anybody plenty of time to get short. And we got follow through today, which ultimately it doesn't mean anything if we don't get some more follow through. I'm sure the bulls are expecting this market to bounce, but there are some things going against them right now. You can see this RSI here in the 60-minute chart of the Nasdaq is considerably bearish, and this is telling me much like not so much. The way I look at the RSIs, I want to see some extreme strength or some extreme negativity, and oftentimes that begets more of the same. So, this extreme bullishness begot more bullishness. So, this is the first time in a long time that we've seen some serious selling. We've seen some fear pick up in the indexes. So, most likely we'll get a little bit of a reaction. Maybe we fill this, maybe I don't think that we're going to fill this gap. I think this might go up a little bit more than just roll over. Consolidated down here all through the day. Didn't really move much lower after the gap down. Uh, I expect this to break lower. Will it? I don't know. I expect it to, given how negative my timing signal is right now. Commodities are weak, which is a good thing. I always get a little nervous when gold starts to get crazy or commodities start to get crazy. It's a good thing that these are pulling back. I think we're going to go down a little bit more. I don't have the chart pulled up. No, I don't have the chart pulled up, but I remember support being down here around 850. We'll see what happens, but there's still a good move to the downside here for the commodity related index. The VIX picked up today. It's up on nearly 16%, and if you look at it just on its own, you think, okay, it's up a lot. Fear's going to come back down, but really, let's remove the VIX and just plot the 10-day moving average. You can see we've really not really moved. Fear is really, today was just the knee-jerk fear reaction, but the 10-day moving average is still pointing down. So real fear is not in this market at all. Today was just an interruption of the bullishness that has become the markets for most of 2012. So what I'm going to personally do is continue to hold my shorts for now and add on any intraday weakness. I got 1/3 of my position yesterday, and I'm going to add the remaining 2/3 on an intraday up move, provided my signal remains bearish, and I'll be notifying subscribers to my newsletter when I do make that purchase. So really, the only thing left to be done is to start building some sort of watch list from some of the really strong names that we've had. And I just wanted to point you guys in the direction, and I'll include a link inside this post. This updates real time throughout the day. This is my public chart list on Stock Charts. You may or may not be familiar with it, but what I try to do is put some of the strongest stocks that are out there, so you can kind of pick and choose from this list as these markets are pulling back. Some of the stronger names that will most likely consolidate and then pull back, and then will probably move higher during the next up cycle. So I'll have this link in there. If you find this list useful, guys, you can actually vote down here for me on Stock Charts, and all this does is gets me a little bit more exposure on Stock Charts, kind of moves me up the list, so maybe some newer people can find my blog when they may not have known about it. So if you guys could, you can vote once a day. That would be awesome if you guys could do that. So other than that, right now there's about 40, 45, 50 stocks on here. You can just kind of take a look through. So, and I do update this daily, and there wasn't anything to add to it yesterday, and I doubt there will be tonight. So take care, guys.